Hey there, everybody. All right. Well, so today I had this build, this drone, racing drone. Well, I crashed it. Well, I didn't really crash it, but I crashed a frame. So I'm taking this frame that I have, well, the guts, the motors, the ESCs, and all that stuff, and I'm moving it over to another frame. So this is a quad box. This is a really, really old frame, and it's called a quad box. Basically, it's basically a quad box. It's one piece. The bottom is one piece. You can see that's the frame. It's a dead cat frame. And basically, it's just the bottom plate and where's the top? And the top plate. That's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. So, this is Zeus. I'm using a Zeus stack, HGLRC Zeus stack on this build. I love HGLRC. Great company. And so this is the stack. And this is a 30 by 30 stack. It's going to sit in here like this. You can see. And basically what I got to do is I've got to get a couple of these gummy grommets and long screws, because they're going to have to be able to go all the way up through the frame. And you can use plastic or you can use metal. Plastic, I like plastic. Plastic's light. Metal's heavy. This metal shit, it adds up really fast in weight. So I like to use plastic on everything. But I'll put my my screws in here, screw everything down, and mount my camera on here. And crossfire, of course, goes in the back, like so. Crossfire antenna will slide in here like so. Oh, looks like it's gonna be a little dainty there on the ends. But I bought a lot, a bunch of quads, and this was in the lot. The box of quads that I bought, this quad box, and so I'm anxious to rip this quad and get it going. That's the top. I know you old heads have seen these, so you guys take care. Happy flying.